Hello from Hollywood Studios, everybody. Today we're going to do a little bit of park hopping, and I'm hoping to explain to you how easy it can be. So if you have a park hopping pass, I'm going to hopefully show you how to use that. So today is Sunday, right before Memorial Day weekend, and we decided that we want dinner in one spot and dessert in another. So we're having dinner at Pizza Rizzo. It's one of our favorite places here to have a quick bite at Hollywood Studios. We're having the delicious meatball sub, and I'm also having a Caesar salad with it. We're sharing the meatball sub because we're having dessert somewhere else. But guys, this is a great economical place. So again, if you want a quick bite, it is right in the Muppets area as you enter Galaxy's Edge. So it's before the Galaxy's Edge entrance. To the left, you're going to see that whole Muppets area. You're going to see the Muppets show. You're going to see Miss Piggy's fountain. And Pizza Rizzo is right there behind Miss Piggy's little water fountain. The great thing about park hopper tickets is if you want to ride multiple rides in different parks, you can. You can even park hop to all 4 parks. For example, we're hanging out right now at Hollywood Studios. We just had our dinner. We're going to go on a couple of rides and then we're hopping. If you are a Star Wars fan, then Galaxy's Edge is the area where you want to go. And as you exit Galaxy's Edge, you enter Toy Story Land. Guys, it is fantastic because you are right in the magic of Toy Story. When you are in Toy Story Land, you are right in Andy's backyard. Now, if you hang out long enough in the different areas, you can see some of the characters and even meet them. You can see Jessie, Woody, Buzz, and as you saw, we just ran into the Army Men. We decided we definitely want to go to Epcot and grab dessert there. When you're in Hollywood Studios, you can park over to Epcot, either going on the Skyliner or you can actually walk over. It's a pretty long walk though, because you go from here through the boardwalk and then onto Epcot. So we're gonna take the Skyliner, but if you wanna go to any other park from here, you're gonna take one of the Disney buses, Disney Transportation, and you're gonna go from here to the Transportation Center and then onto the next park. And that is, of course, if you're not driving your own vehicle, because if you're driving, you can just drive yourself to the next park. That boat right there is going to take you to Epcot and it's going to go that route, but we're taking the Skyliner.
Thank you for flying with us.
When you take the Skyliner to Epcot, you actually have a stop right at the Caribbean Beach Resort, and that's actually where the station is for you guys to transfer. Now we're going to transfer to Epcot. We just came from Hollywood Studios. That's headed back to Hollywood Studios, and this one is headed to Epcot.
Flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Now when you come into Epcot on the Skyliner, you're going to be left off right by World Showcase. So you're towards the middle of the park, not at the very entrance of the park. I just want you to keep that in mind. And behind me is Marky Mouse. He's also doing some vlogging today. The Skyliner leaves you off right by the French Pavilion. And the French Pavilion is actually when you can go on the Remy ride. It's pretty cool. But we're here for dessert. So what are you thinking of for dessert, babe?
I'm thinking something chocolate ice cream.
Surprise, surprise, behind me is Rick Springfield playing tonight. We did not know, we had forgotten, but what a great surprise because we're gonna hope to catch that show too. They didn't have my favorite, which is a chocolate float with Coca-Cola. So instead I got popcorn and a Coke, but my honey did get his favorite.
American Dream.
I may have said this already, but if you guys want to park hop, you have to have a park hopping ticket or a park hopping pass if you're a pass holder. You can't just park hop in the Disney parks if you wanted to. So remember, that is an extra charge. You might be asking yourself, so if I leave the car at Epcot and I want to go over to Hollywood Studios or vice versa, what happens? You can leave your car in the original spot where you started your day and you can get back to it at the end of the night. Keep in mind though that the Skyliner, for example, might only run for about another hour and a half after park closing, and then you may have to take a bus over there. And the buses don't go straight to the park. It's always going to take you to the transportation and ticket center first of all. So we're at Epcot right now. We are going to head back to Hollywood Studios later tonight because that's where we parked. What a nice surprise. We got to see him from up close. We walked all around this area. That was so awesome.
And we slapped hands.